Now I'm going to give you a brief introduction about transnational audits. Transnational audits are essential for multinational corporations to meet global financial and regulatory standards. According to NEC 2021, these audits analyze financial statements that may be relied upon a company's home jurisdiction for critical decisions. The Forum of Firms under the International Federation of Accountants ensures audits meet high-quality standards, promoting consistency, reliability, and trust in financial reporting.
In Malaysia, auditors may face challenges to align with this standard due to differences in enforcement methods and local regulatory demands based on USOF 2023. Malaysia Auditing Standards, known as Malaysian Approved Standards on Auditing (MASA), are still in accordance with International Standards of Auditing (ISA). However, the application is altered based on Malaysia's regulatory framework, including the Companies Act 2016. ISA focused on the uniform global approach, in differences with Malaysia, where the local laws and regulations require adaptations which create potential inconsistency in transnational audit. For example, it is addressed that group financial statements audits has been improved to create collaboration between auditors in global context, according to the ISA 600 revised. The analysis from the arguments is that it is identified that Malaysian approved standards on auditing (MASA) are in the same path as International Standards on Auditing (ISA), with little differences in the implementations considering the adaptations of regulatory frameworks Companies Act 2016. This shows the difficulty of applying international standards without including the local regulations. However, these differences can be a benefit in terms of the analysis in comparison of other countries adopting ISA to show whether Malaysia's challenges are as common as others or not.
I'm going to talk about culture. Cultural differences such as behaviors, attitude, value, and languages are among the most challenging obstacles for auditors. As USOF 2023 highlighted, cultural norms, ethics, and worldviews differ significantly across regions, influencing how decisions are made and how ethical dilemmas are addressed. Cultural values such as collectivism, individualism, language barriers, and power distance play a significant role in shaping auditing practices. First, communication style. Individualistic culture often favor direct communication, while collectivistic cultures relies on indirect method and nonverbal cues. The second one is ethics and decision making. In individualistic cultures, auditors focus on independent and professional skepticism, while in collectivistic culture, maintaining relationship and difference management take precedence. The third one is power distance. In high power distance cultures, auditors may hesitate to challenge authorities, whereas in lower power distance cultures, skepticism is encouraged. This difference can significantly impact the quality and rigor of audits. To ensure effective audits, it is crucial for auditors to understand and adapt to cultural influences. By developing cultural awareness, auditors will be able to adapt their approaches to fit diverse cultural contexts, balance professional standards with cultural norms, and enhance the quality and effectiveness of auditing procedure across different countries and society. In Malaysia's multicultural environment, cultural awareness is especially important. Auditors need to navigate diverse languages, practices, and values to address potential obstacles and deliver high-quality audits. As auditing becomes more globalized, Malaysian auditors must adapt to these complexities.
Next is legal framework. In business, laws play a crucial role by guiding how businesses operate. According to USOC 2023, the legal system of a nation establishes guidelines for conducting business and assigns responsibilities to business people, ensuring proper conduct and accountability. However, the main legal barriers arise from differences in national regulations and legal frameworks. It is because each country has its own unique legal system, rules, and practices, shaped by its history, culture, and government. Countries with weak or inconsistent regulations can create challenges, making litigation a key way for individuals to enforce their rights. However, auditors face difficulties achieving transparency and quality, as the risk of litigation and legal liability can negatively impact their work. And for analysis and evaluation, by understanding legal frameworks, auditors can better manage litigation risks, adapt to varying national systems, and support the global alignment of auditing standards. In Malaysia, the legal frameworks ensures audit quality for local and multinational entities, supporting consistency and transparency. However, global differences in legal system pose challenges, requiring balanced frameworks for efficient auditing practices.
Lastly, in conceptual framework, as accounting and audit firms expand globally to stay competitive, they face challenges in maintaining audit quality and consistency across different national environments. High audit quality is essential for fostering trust in financial reporting by providing unbiased and accurate opinions. However, regulatory frameworks often focus on general consideration, overlooking the unique challenges of auditing in varied contexts. Ultimately, users of financial statements expect fairness, transparency, and assurance, expectation that can only be met by addressing national differences within global auditing practices. In analysis and evaluation of conceptual framework, audit quality is essential for trust and confidence in financial reporting, forming the backbone of reliable decision-making for stakeholders. Multinational audits face challenges due to varying national contexts, requiring regulatory bodies to provide tailored and robust guidance. Inconsistencies in enforcement often weaken oversights. For example of cases in Malaysia, the 1MDB scandal in Malaysia illustrates the consequences of lapses in audit quality and oversight. It highlights the critical need for auditors to uphold rigorous standards across borders. High-quality audits prevent fraud, ensure transparency, and protect stakeholders' interests, ultimately strengthening global financial markets. By addressing these challenges, we can restore trust and foster sustainable confidence in financial systems worldwide.
In conclusion, transnational audits come with a unique set of challenges, from dealing with multiple frameworks to overcoming cultural, legal, and ethical barriers. However, they also present opportunities to drive global standardization and improve the quality of auditing practices. By embracing these challenges, auditors can help build more reliable financial ecosystems.
Audit firms should adopt ISA with local adaptations, train auditors on specific challenges, form cultural diverse teams for better decision-making, and establish uniform auditing definitions to enhance transnational audit quality.